Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this WESTCOTT TrimAir titanium 12-inch paper trimmer. I got this on Amazon warehouse deals. So let's see if it's in good condition, and had a previous guillotine paper trimmer and the handle came off, so I'm looking for something that's sturdy and that has a fixed handle like this. And this is my previous one as well. It's old and it's missing one of the blades, so I'm upgrading to something that's more heavy duty. So let's check it out. So as you can see, the features here are grid measurements, heavy duty base with alignment grid, and onboard measurements for precise accurate trimming. Guillotine handle, soft touch non-slip handle, finger rest, keeps finger clear from the cutting area, safety guard, keep fingers safely away from the cutting area, safety lock, keeps the blade from moving when not in use or when being transported, and then titanium bonded. This is a feature that I was looking for it to last longer. So cuts up to 30 sheets of 20-pound paper. So that is pretty impressive. So let's see if it lives up to the description. So here is the trimmer. Look, it's absolutely brand new, so that's what I like about Amazon warehouse deals. I get pretty much 98% of the time they're in good condition or brand new condition, and they're discounted. So here is you can see the bottom, this side. So as you can see, this is a really thick base. I like the wood. It's a solid wood, very sturdy. And then here's the plastic protector. Do not remove plastic guard. And there's the safe mechanism on the side. So this you can transport it, and it won't be moving while you're transporting it. And then there is the blade. That blade. And it's pretty sharp. So let's try it out on some papers that I have here. Do is insert it like so. It says here, please do not remove this plastic guard. It would keep your hand safe or your fingers safe. So let's try it out. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. This one has. So that really went pretty well. I just had to readjust my cutting. So it works with like really thin paper, which is a good sign. I'll try it again. It's very crisp, and it's like hard right now because it's brand new, but I think it's going to probably soften over time. It's gonna loosen up over time. So I'm gonna try some random cardstock here. This is thicker. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, the line is very crisp. Let's try another one. This is another thicker one. 12. That one is also very straight. Oh, as you can see, this magazine, there's like 52 pages and it says 30. So let's try it at 30 and then I'm gonna increase 30, so let's try 60. Okay, so there's 60. Let's see if it works on this one. Let's hit it. It's the ultimate test. So this is what it says. It could cut 30 pages. So let's see. Wow. Wow, that cut it like a butter. That was very smooth. So yes, I guess this thing lives up to its description. 30 pages. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.